Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. My name is Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hello. We're so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. We're excited because today's topic is very simple, but very fun.
That's right. The topic is what's in your room.
Everyone has a room, right? Maybe your room is big, maybe it's small. Maybe you share it with your brother or sister.
Or maybe it's just your own space, your own little world.
Exactly. So today we'll describe our rooms, and you can listen and learn new words in English.
Okay, Emma, let's start with you. Can you describe your room for us?
Sure. So when you open the door, the first thing you see is my bed. My bed is next to the window.
Oh, nice.
The blanket is white, and I have two pillows. I like soft pillows because I read in bed at night.
It sounds cozy. Do you have a lamp?
Yes, I have a small lamp on the bedside table. At night, I switch it on and it makes my room feel warm.
That's great. In my room, when you open the door, you see my desk first. My desk is not big, but it's full of things.
Like what?
Well, my computer, of course, then a notebook, some pens, and also a little plant.
Oh, that sounds nice. What color is your plant pot?
It's green, the same as the plant. So sometimes it looks like the plant is wearing a green hat.
That's funny. Do you have a chair?
Yes, but it's not a good chair. It's old.
Old chairs can be good too. My chair is small and wooden. Sometimes it makes a noise when I sit down.
Like creak, creak.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's talk about walls. Do you have something on your walls?
Yes, I have a picture of the beach. It's blue and sunny, and it makes me happy.
Oh, that's nice. On my wall, I have a poster of mountains.
So, you like nature.
Yes, I love mountains.
Do you have a closet in your room?
I do. It's full of clothes. Too many clothes, maybe.
Same here. My closet has shirts, pants, and also some shoes.
Do you keep your shoes in the closet?
Yes, I like them to be hidden away. What about you?
My shoes are on the floor. Not very tidy, I know.
That's okay.
Okay, question. What is your favorite thing in your room?
My bookshelf.
Why?
Because I love books. When I look at my bookshelf, I feel happy. It's full of stories and colors.
That's beautiful. My favorite thing is my computer. It's where I learn, where I watch movies, where I play games.
So your room is also your fun space.
Exactly.
Do you have a window in your room?
Yes, a big one. In the morning, the sun comes in and makes the room bright.
That sounds lovely. My window is smaller, but it has curtains. They are white, and when I close them, the room feels very calm.
That's nice. Do you look outside your window a lot?
Yes, I can see the street, and sometimes I watch people walking by.
I can see trees outside mine. It's very green. Do you have a mirror?
Yes, on the wall. I use it in the morning to get ready.
Me too, but my mirror is very small. Sometimes I can only see my face, not my whole body.
That's okay. Maybe that's all you need. So let's imagine this. If you had to add one new thing to your room, what would it be?
Oh, good question. I think maybe a bigger chair, a really comfortable chair.
Like an armchair?
Yes, exactly. A big armchair to sit and read. What about you?
Maybe some fairy lights.
Oh, lights around the room?
Yes, little lights that make the room feel magical.
That would look great. So let's give our listeners some phrases they can use. For example, in my room, there's a bed. In my room, there's a desk. On the wall, there's a picture. Next to the bed, there's a lamp. On the floor, there's a rug.
Perfect. You can use these sentences to describe your own room.
I think everyone can try this as homework. Look around your room and say 5 sentences in English about what you see.
Yes. For example, in my room, there are 3 books. In my room, there is 1 chair. Easy and fun.
Exactly. Okay, Emma, I think we talked about beds, chairs, desks, lamps, windows, curtains, closets, shoes, mirrors, pictures, posters, bookshelves, rugs. That's a lot.
Yes, many useful words for today. So, friends, this is the end of our podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you learned something new today.
And don't forget, practice by describing your own room.
Also, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. It really helps us.
Yes, and come back next time for another fun topic.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and see you soon.